Okay, so we're looking at the rack supports for a current bus, Bessie. Um, it looks like they took some, well, looks like 3/4 inch, where's the 1 inch? That's 1 inch by 1 inch tubing, outside diameter, 1 inch by 1 inch tubing. They have the supports running 40 inches high, so from just to the top of the windows they run 40 inches high, and then from there you can see there's the railing, the upper railing attaches to those in 2 spots. So the railing is detachable, so we can reuse that on the next bus. It looks like what they did is they welded it directly to the bus, the tubing. You can see this is just to the side of the bus on each side, and then right at the bottom of it, to hold all of them together, they got some angle iron. So probably, I don't know, 3/4 inch angle iron, running the whole width, and then the same thing at the top. You can see the angle iron holding all the supports together. Now the rack or the railings are not connected to that in any way, so the railings just connected to the supports themselves. So they have these for the bike mount bars, but we won't use that. We'll have plywood. You can see they have a metal floor, but I don't think that's coming off because they have it welded in several spots right to the rack itself. So there's no reusing that, but in any way. You can see this is the sheet metal that we need to replace. So I believe that's 39 inches or something like that. Let me just take a measure here quick. Sorry for the camera work. Yeah, that's going to be about 39 and a half inches of sheet metal the whole length of the bus. So if we go 35 feet, which is what our current bus is, that's what we'll be looking at. That's it. Gives you an idea of what they did anyway.